Hi, and welcome to Create. My name's Mark, and today we're going to do shrimp scampi. It's very different than what you've ever tried before. There's no sauteing. We're going to poach the shrimp this time. We're actually going to create a base for the shrimp. We're going to use the shells themselves. But before I get into anything, I just want to let everybody know that thank you again for subscribing to our channel. Those who haven't, please subscribe. Okay, so here are the ingredients for our shrimp scampi today. We have 1.5 pounds of shrimp. We have some garlic. We have some thyme. We're going to use the shrimp shells to make the broth along with the wine. We'll get to that. Use white wine, please. We have parsley, black pepper, red pepper for a little heat, and a little lemon. And of course, you can't have shrimp scampi without the butter. And those are the ingredients. Let's go. Let's get started.